Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Global Hemp Group's channel. We're sitting here once again with Curt, and we have an exciting news announcement to jump into today. But Curt, how are you doing?
Doing very well. Thank you very much for asking.
Good, good. Glad to have you on. So I'll just read this off to everybody here. So Global Hemp Group acquired a strategic property for its Colorado Hemp Agro-Industrial Zone. So you guys acquired 44 acres. Tell me more.
Sure. So this is one of the key properties that we've been looking at for a while. And this is where the actual hemp agro-industrial zone will be built out. So this will be the manufacturing facility for the building materials, and certainly there's enough space there to expand as we get more involved in the use of the fiber from the plant and any other technologies that we bring in a collaborative effort. But the interesting part of this particular property is that it's connected on the highway, it's connected on the rail line, and on top of that, there's about 30, just a little over 30 acres that we can actually grow hemp on. And our plan is that we will submit our application for a license right away, and we look to grow hemp on this particular plot this coming year. Now, the plan really is to have a number of different cultivars, and this will be our trial cultivation to establish, part of what we need to do is, because this is a new area for us and really for most in Colorado, we have to go and try a number of different cultivars, see what grows the best, see what produces the most material for what our end purpose is. So at the end of the day, it's going to be a very tailored kind of scenario so that we grow ultimately the very best hemp plant that we have and produce the most material for what we want to do as we move forward. And one of the things that we are looking at is engaging with various people who are expert in the field of genetics and genomics. And that will also help us in this whole trial cultivation for this coming year.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, and just kind of reading through it here, you mentioned a genesis of sustainable, regenerative, and renewable cities. Like that's kind of what you're aiming for here. So it isn't just the hemp, but you're kind of going for a green eco picture overall, right?
Well, that's where the opportunity is. As I've said before, most hemp buildings are sort of a one-off scenario. And what happens is that you, somebody who's very enthusiastic about hemp at this point, say in the United States, as opposed to Europe, which has much greater acceptance of the hemp building materials, and that's expanding more rapidly than the U.S. But I think the opportunity is coming quickly here in the United States. But we have a tremendous vision of building a whole community that is not only has hemp related building materials in the houses, but the community as a whole will be a showcase to really show off eco-friendly technologies and for the whole community. So we have a very, very big vision here, and it's not just about growing a couple of hemp houses at this point.
Wonderful, wonderful. All right, Curt. Well, exciting news announcement. Congratulations. How do you feel about it so far? Are you excited?
Oh, this is a great step forward here. We're working hard on pulling the pieces together for this entire project, and I expect that very shortly here we'll have some further exciting news with respect to lands we're looking at, as well as other opportunities that we're pursuing to make this project move faster and come together quicker than we've said so far. So, we're working hard behind the scenes.
Wonderful. Well, again, congratulations, everybody. You heard the man. Stay tuned. We'll get some more news to you as soon as it comes out. Thank you for watching. You got any questions? Send them over to us. Subscribe, follow us, look out for more. Curt, have a wonderful day.
Hey, you too.